Albert two-factor authentication issues usually happen when the verification method is outdated, the device time is incorrect, or the login attempt is flagged as unusual by security systems. By the end, you'll know why 2FA fails, how to fix login verification step by step, and how to stop the issue from coming back. Start with the most basic cause. Two-factor authentication depends on real-time verification between your device and Albert's security system. Now explain what that means. If your phone time or network sync is off, the verification code can fail before it even reaches the app. Now, give the first fix. Check your phone's date and time settings and set them to automatic. Now explain why. Incorrect time settings can cause verification codes to expire instantly or not match the server. Now move to network issue. A weak or unstable internet connection can block the authentication request from completing. Now explain what to do. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data before trying the login again. Now explain app issue. If Albert is running an outdated version, the login verification system may not work correctly. Now, give the fix. Update the app from your app store before retrying authentication. Now, explain device issue. Sometimes too many login attempts from different devices can trigger a temporary security lock. Now explain what to do. Wait a short period before trying again from a single trusted device. Now explain notification issue. If you're using SMS-based 2FA, delayed text messages can also cause login failure. Now explain fix. Make sure your phone can receive SMS messages normally and isn't blocking unknown numbers. Now, explain email-based 2FA. If verification is sent by email, check spam or promotions folders for missing codes. Now explain backup option. Some accounts allow backup login methods if the main 2FA method fails. Now explain what to do. Look in the login screen for alternative verification options if available. Now explain security lock. Repeated failed attempts can temporarily block authentication for protection. Now explain what that means. In that case, waiting and retrying later is usually required before access is restored. Now summarize the core idea. Albert two-factor authentication fails mostly due to time mismatch, weak connections, outdated apps, or temporary security locks. Fixing device settings and switching networks solves most login issues. And avoiding repeated, failed attempts helps prevent temporary account blocks. One practical next step. Set your phone time to automatic, switch to mobile data, and try logging in again from one stable device only. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear fixes for app login and security issues without confusing tech explanations.